Hey guys, hi, and again I am here to to express my views about something, and I would like to. I just saw a very disturbing news on Instagram, so that's why I came here. I just wanted to tell my feelings, my experience about something I was closely related. I just saw just a minute. Yeah, I just saw this message. I'm sorry, I'm tired. Medical aspirant kills herself a day before NEET. Why, man? Why? Why? I would like to tell you, I also took 1 year coaching for medical. At our time, things were very different. We had multiple examinations to give. Not unlike as of now that we have one single examination for medical examination. Medical aspirants can give only one examination. At our time, we had AIPMT, we had OJE, means Odisha JU, Odisha Joint Entrance Examination. Then we had Comet K, even outside people could give comet K examination. So like that we had many examinations, many options, but the problem was that same topper everywhere, the means same students used to qualify almost all the examination, they would choose one. So likewise the seats we weren't able to get, even there was no waiting list at that time. I don't know even if they have now or not. I don't know. So my point is that I have also prepared for medical, means AIPMT or OJE at that time. I was preparing in 2009-10 at a very prestigious institution. Plus, during my 12th, my intermediate, I was preparing simultaneously for medical entrance examination, due to which my mathematics got very much neglected and secured very low marks in mathematics during my 12th examination. So it doesn't matter now. Doesn't matter. I just don't know the 11th class trigonometry basics. That's it. Rest is okay, fine. I know basics mathematics. That's everything. I secured pretty much in my 10th also. In mathematics, I did good. So my point is that the pressure the students are going nowadays. At that time also students were getting pressurized by their parents. Even this video I want parents to even watch. My parents never gave me pressure. Yes, every parents has their dream to make their child something. Yes, my parents also dreamt about making me a doctor, but yes, I also wanted to become a doctor. So I tried, but I was not that much good student. Means I wasn't the topper or 90%. No, my 10th mark is just 78% and my 12th just 72%. I didn't score great, but I did pretty decent to have a first class career. At that time, 70% was even well and good average student marks. So I decided not to pursue engineering. I got an engineering rank in JEE. Even triple E architecture I got qualified. Well, nice and good. But I didn't want to do either. If not medical, no engineering. Please, my passion was biology. I can't switch my passion, means for study. Other passion are different. But I wanted to study biology, so I told my parents I want to do something in biosector. That's why I took a different lane. My maximum friends got engaged in engineering and all, but we were friends of 5 to 6 when we were during preparation. We were 5 to 6 students. None of us qualified for government medical seat. Even I didn't qualify for private medical. Even I didn't qualify for that. I didn't qualify any medical entrance examination. My one of my friend got qualified for some private prestigious institution in Odisha. She got, and now she is a doctor. But rest of us, now we are no doctors, but we are highly placed. I mean to say highly placed means we are nicely placed, and many of my watchers would be knowing what profession I am in. I will means for the new watchers or the new means lookers at the video. I will explain my job later. I will disclose my job later. Okay, so we all are well placed. At the time, yes, heartbreak is okay. At the time, I didn't qualify. Oh my God, what happened? I also went through that phase. I was frustrated. It's okay, fine, but taking your own life for just a medical entrance examination is not okay. It's not done, man. It's not done. And for career, taking your own life, never. If you are alive, you will reach heights, man. If you have given, yes, I have given my sweat and blood in this preparation time. I was very bad at chemistry, very bad at organic chemistry. Till now, I cannot do all that reactions and all for your organic chemistry. I was good at physical and chemistry. Okay, physical and inorganic. It was okay, fine. रट्टा मार दो chemistry हो जाएगा. But inorganic, for organic you need mind, which I don't have. I never had that mind. So I didn't qualify for any of the medical examination, but I took my passion to a next level. So my point is that life doesn't end if you don't qualify for medical entrance examination. Many of the students who don't qualify for medical entrance examination, they do much better in their career. I don't want to brag, but I'm giving an example. My friends who secured more than 85% in the 12th, more than 85%, they are still, and they got into medical. They're still struggling for a PG medical seat. But I have completed my post graduation. I qualified an prestigious exam and I am well settled. Even my friends who didn't qualify, they are well settled in their life. So my friends, being an engineer or being a doctor is not everything. That's a, means बच्चों माँ बाप के मन में पूरा फिक्स हो गया है. बच्चा इधर इंजीनियर बनेगा, आईआईटी करेगा मेरा लड़का या लड़की, या फिर डॉक्टर बनेगा या मेरा लड़का या लड़की. Please parents, just give up this traditional idea of ideal child or ideal person. It's not that, man. लाइफ में बहुत अच्छी अच्छी कैरियर स्कोप है. आप आर्ट्स में ही ले लीजिए, आप साइकोलॉजी कर सकते हैं. व्हाई व्हाई वी आरंट exploring psychology? Why we aren't exploring architecture? Why we aren't exploring history? Why are we not exploring environmental science? There's lot of options. Why people aren't thinking about UPSC or state PCS exams from class 5th or 6th? Why are they forced after graduation? Many things are there. So my friends, don't get frustrated even after you don't get into medical. I also didn't get into medical. My friends also, they didn't get into medical. But life is more than that. Please don't take this decisions, this bad decisions. These are nothing but bad decisions. And yes, one more thing to parents. Please don't force your child to do what you cannot do, what you couldn't do. It's quite natural. If you don't succeed in one thing, you would expect your, because I'm not a parent till now, but our parents, but as a general parent, they would like their child to fulfill their dream, isn't it? So it's okay, fine, it's okay, but don't pressurize your child, don't force your child into that. It will create chaos, nothing else. It will make your child's life hell. The expectations, the frustrations, everything will be, वो खुद ही झेलेगा, वो बच्चा खुद ही झेलेगा. कुछ नहीं होगा, मेंटल प्रेशर पड़ेगा, वो कुछ उलझुल करेगा, उटपटांग काम करेगा। डोंट गेट इनटू दिस। बच्चे को फ्री छोड़ दो, उसे जो पढ़ना है जो करना है लेट देम डू, बट डोंट फोर्स देम। ओके फाइन, आई जस्ट वांटेड टू टेल यू दैट कल नीट है, ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर दैट। अगर निकलता है बहुत ही अच्छा है, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग बीइंग डॉक्टर इज बैड, दे आर नेक्स्ट टू गॉड, it's good. If not, explore your interest other than medical. There are lot and lot. आपको, I don't know how many of you might be following दिनेश बायोलॉजी। दिनेश का एक बायोलॉजी बुक आता है, हमारे टाइम में हम लोग फॉलो करते हैं। आई डोंट नो इफ नाउ दे आर फॉलोइंग और नॉट, और ट्रूमेंस, आई थिंक एवरीवन विल बी फॉलोइंग ट्रूमेंस बायोलॉजी। The first chapter, the very first chapter at our time, it was about study of various things. Means silviculture, study of trees, then means biology, botany, zoology, geology, then anthropology. Many studies are there. You explore that. You search about the colleges which offer that courses. Do something different. Forestry, agriculture, horticulture, fisheries, agricultural engineering. These are allied which are still unexplored. Yeah, there are moments I can't explain how many different studies are there available in India, but people aren't exploring that. So my suggestion to all the students, whoever you might be a future aspirant, you might be in class 8th or 9th, अभी तो YouTube सबके पास है, सब देखते हैं। I know मेरा क्वालिटी खराब है कैमरा का, but I'm just not a professional YouTuber, but I just wanted to give you a insight कि मेडिकल नहीं मिलने से कुछ नहीं होता है, आप उससे भी ऊंचा जाके बैठोगे अपने लाइफ में, इट डजेंट मैटर। एंड एट लास्ट आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू, आई एम अ स्टेट सिविल सर्वेंट। आई क्वालिफाइड स्टेट पीसीएस, दैट इज उड़ीसा पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन, इन 2015 नोटिफिकेशन आया था, 2017 आवर रिजल्ट केम, सो आई क्वालिफाइड दैट, माय रैंक वाज 84। सो गाइस, मेडिकल कुछ भी नहीं है। आई हैव माई फेलो पीसीएस क्वालिफायर, आई एम नाउ पोस्टेड इन गवर्नमेंट एज अ गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर। सो प्लीज डोंट get into all these things. Be cool, calm, think, chalk out your career. You will excel in your career. That's a will, that's a way. Okay, thank you for watching this, and all the best all the students.